Choose the correct options. A lot of or lots of. Note: a lot of and lots of are both used to indicate a large quantity or number. A lot of, lots of, they both can be used for countable nouns as well as uncountable nouns. So let's choose the correct option. Number 1. A lot of or lots of apples fell from the tree. Which one is correct? Well guys, there must be our indefinite article a before load of, and there should not be our indefinite article before loads of. So similarly our option 1 becomes correct, okay, and it becomes incorrect obviously. So a load of apples fell from the tree. Number 2, there are a lot of birds or there are lots of birds in the garden. Which one is correct? Well guys, a lot, this way of writing a lot is incorrect. If we want to write a lot, there must be a space. So here you can see there is no space in lot and our indefinite article a, so it becomes incorrect, and obviously our second option is correct. Lots of, there are lots of birds in the garden. Number 3, we saw a lots or lot of stars in the sky. Here you can see we have our indefinite article a before lots, and as I told you, dear guys, there should not be our indefinite article before lots of. So this one is incorrect, and we saw a lot of stars in the sky. Here you can see we use our indefinite article before load of, okay, before load of, so it becomes correct. We saw a lot of stars in the sky. Number 4, we ate lots of pizza at the party, or we ate lot of pizza at the party. Which one is correct? This one is correct and this one is incorrect. Why? You can see, dear guys, we ate lot of, we must use our indefinite article before lot of, okay. So here you can see there is no our indefinite article a, so it becomes wrong. And lots of, you can see lots of, we ate lots of pizza at the party. Number 5, you people answer of this option in the comment section below, because it is without of. A lot, I ate a lot for lunch today, or I ate lots for the lunch today. Which one is correct? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you people really enjoyed my today's lesson. Thanks for watching and follow for more.